name is Lindsay and I am the creator and owner of the Online Swim School. With almost 11 years teaching experience in the UAE, London and multiple locations across the UK, I have created an online platform which is accessible to anyone and everyone, and even enables carers to teach their own children how to swim. The Online Swim School works around you and your already busy schedules. Watch tutorial videos in your own time and at your pace. The Online Swim School has created a 10-week course designed for your little one's age group, with a step-by-step guide in how to make your little one water confident, enjoy the water, and all that with no rushing for that set swimming lesson time.